people all over the world.
Everybody loves grandma. Everybody.
This come for you.
Where these come from?
boy.
Bay, Boston, Uruguay, Australia, Columbus, Ohio, Illinois, Myers, Florida.
Chicago.
Where is this from? Washington. What is this? El Dorado. I don't know is where that. In Florida here. All over the southern know me. Jesus have mercy. Bronx, New York. They know me all up there.
Grandma loved the life so much, we're doing it again. This New Year's Eve, join us live as Grandma opened all her letters and her gifts from her P.O. box. Anything you want to tell them, Grandma?
Me rotted. Go and read the letters. I don't know what. I will know tomorrow. When me